Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee dog bite compensation claims. I'm going to be going over whether or not you can claim for a dog bite personal injury, if you can claim, how you can begin the process of claiming, and how much you may expect to receive in total. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've been bitten by someone else's dog, you may be wondering whether or not you can claim. The good news is, if you've been involved in a dog bite accident that was down to the negligence of others, which has resulted in a dog bite injury, you may be entitled to compensation. If you're wondering how to claim compensation for a dog bite, in order to bring a successful dog bite compensation claim, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with dog bite law in the UK and no-win, no-fee dog bite claims. The good news for you is that we're happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If you've been bitten by a dog at work, we'll be happy to talk through what to do if you've been bitten by a dog while at work in the UK. And if you'd like to know the amount for the average claim for dog bite in the UK, we'll be happy to go over the amount for the average dog bite settlement in the UK. Following this consultation, we'll talk through the accident with you. And if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. And what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees for you to worry about. And most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, if you're wondering how much can I sue for a dog bite, I'm going to take a look at how much compensation you may be able to claim for dog bite injury, no-win, no-fee injury amounts.
Okay, as you can see, we've got a couple of different injury types and the severities of them. The top one being total or effective loss of both hands. This is the most severe type of injury from a dog bite. We're looking at anything from £112,100 right the way up to £160,600. Then for serious damage to both hands, so this will be injuries which have given rise to permanent cosmetic disability and significant loss of function. That's anything from £44,550 right the way up to £67,410. Then for total or effective loss of one hand, we're looking at anything from £76,650 all the way up to £87,410. Then for amputation of middle and index and or ring fingers, we're looking at anything from £49,350 right the way up to £72,330. Then onto serious hand injuries, we're looking at anything from £23,110 right the way up to £49,350. Then for less serious hand injuries, we're looking at anything from £11,520 right the way up to £23,110. Then onto moderate hand injuries, this is G. We're looking at £4,640 right the way up to £10,580. Then onto minor hand injuries. We're looking at anything from £730 right the way up to £3,460. Then onto severe fractures to fingers. This could be anything up to £29,290. Then for a total loss of index finger, you're looking at something in the region of £14,930. Then finally, for partial loss of index finger, you're looking at something between £9,700 all the way up to £14,930.
I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.